Alright, hello everyone. My name is Cameron here. I work at ProLytX on the functional safety team, and I'm excited to show y'all our test drive tool and our demo panel.
Hey guys, my name's Tim O'Hara. I've been with ProLytX in the functional safety team here for about 5 years, and also excited to show you what our tool can do. I think I could start with an introduction to the test drive.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, cool. What you're seeing here is the user interface of our test drive tool that was developed by our team probably around 10 years ago, and this is obviously the most recent version. Currently, it's connected from this PC to a processor on the backside of this demo panel that Cameron will go into more explanation in a bit. So just a high-level overview of what this software does is our team will create a scripted procedure to test certain elements within a safety instrumented system, the logic. Our team will receive design documentation, mainly cause and effects and control narratives, along with the sys logic, and design a procedure to test and ensure that functions are carried out in the logic as described in the documentation. And without fail, every single project we do, we will return to the client some findings, which will often be discrepancies between the design documentation and or the logic, and updates will always need to be made. So what we've got set up here looks like a little small system here that's connected. You want to describe this a little bit, Cameron?
Yeah, sure. So this is our demo panel, right? We have 4 transmitters hooked up to 2 valves, a motor, and a bucket full of water. So this is a pressure, and we got 3 levels down here. What's going to end up happening, right? So right now it's running, and everything's going good. It's like it's supposed to simulate a live system in a sense, right? So as soon as we start simulating on this test drive tool, we'll see that it shuts down as we simulate a shutdown on the ESD, right? Or we simulate a shutdown through high level, we'll see that it actually happens in real life here.
Okay, so we have some outputs or finite elements for this small little bite-sized system.
Correct.
Okay.
Awesome.
Are we able to see that in the tool?
Yeah, so right here I'll walk you through a shutdown on an ESD, okay? So first thing we're going to end up doing, right, is we're going to end up validating the system's not tripped. And how do we do that? We hit that button, but it's actually verifying that both valves and the motor is true right now. So it's not tripped, and that the trip light is off. So what we're going to do next is go ahead and trip it. So we should see that trip light comes on and everything shuts down.
Okay.
Right, so we trip it, trip light's on, both valves are closed, motor stopped, no water is going circulating. So we can also verify that through this test right here, right? So we see that we have false on both valves and false on the motor, true on the light. Right, so we passed that step 2. The next step we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and put that ESD back to normal.
Yep.
Right, confirm the system's still tripped because the reset has not been hit yet. Right, we're going to go ahead and fix the valves real quick. So we should light them up. So right now we're closed on the valve side. Right, then we're going to go ahead and validate that we're ready to reset through this light right here, and then we're going to go ahead and hit the reset button.
All right, yeah, I hear these opening.
Yep. And next thing we're going to do is validate that the system's not tripped again, right? So we see that both valves are now true and the motor is true as well. So the run status came on, so we're good to go on that.
Okay, very cool. So this highlights a commonly seen discrete 1-out-of-1 ESD shutdown at the plant level. Do you have another voting combination we can show within the test drive?
Yeah, I can give you a quick 2 out of 3 on the level as well. So we can go ahead and start, right? It starts the same way, right? So we confirm that the system's not tripped. Again, right now we'll go ahead and simulate everything to just before it trips at 81. So here we're going to be tripping at 79%. So we're going to confirm that everything's pre-tripped at 81, right? So then we're going to go ahead and validate we're not tripped. Right, then we're going to simulate A to trip. See the light come on, there it is. Right, so now that we simulated that 1 is tripped, we're going to confirm we're still not tripped, right? 2 out of 3 voting. So we're going to hit the bypass next on A. Right, so the bypass comes on. So we're essentially not tripped at all right now. And we'll go ahead and trip B. So now we have 1 tripped, 1 and another trip. This one's bypassed, so we're still not tripped. So as soon as I confirm that we're not tripped again, I remove the bypass, we should trip. Yep, there we go.
Oh yeah.
So both valves closed, motor stopped, trip light came on.
Okay, so successfully drove 2 out of 3 in the analog and a 1-out-of-1 discrete trip for this demo panel. Great.
Yep.
And as far as the final deliverable is concerned, is this tool able to export anything for auditing purposes in the future?
Yes, it is actually. So we go down here to reporting, right? And then we can go up here, select the track that we just did, and we can either export it to Excel or PDF. So let's export it to Excel, we'll hit save, and there you go.
Okay.
Export to Excel.
Cool. Yeah, thanks for highlighting the tool and showing me what this demo panel is all about.
Anytime.